becoming more and more popular. To make battery maintenance easier, we developed a new lift table U-DP7. It allows technicians to handle heavy vehicle battery and transmission with less effort. Its minimum height is 800 mm and can be lifted up to 1,800 mm max. The platform U-DP7 is a multi-angle and multi-direction lifting table. It is adjustable to meet the diverse angles, giving a steady holding of battery or transmission. The lift table provides a safe and efficient solution for under-vehicle tasks such as engine, transmission, hybrid battery, and subframe works to be carried out. For a convenient observation of leveling of the platform, we place a gradienter on the lift table. The uniformly distributed threaded holes are cleaned up for attaching a wide variety of supports. The table is double safety guaranteed by both hydraulic and mechanical safety locks. Remote controlled by the operator is allowed. Most jobs can be handled by one person. U-DP7 is your trusted partner for a fast and secure removing and mounting vehicle battery and transmission operation. Maintain a transmission and electric car battery. Try our U-DP7 lift table.